Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to talk about past perfect progressive tense. Scared, past perfect progressive. You shouldn't be scared. There is nothing scary. It sounds scary, but in fact it's very simple. In a nutshell, we use past perfect progressive to describe an ongoing action which continued, up to or stopped, just before a time in the past. We will talk about it later. Now, let's see what it looks like. After the subject, we have our auxiliary verb had, followed by been, followed by a verb with ing ending. For example, he had been building that wall for 3 months before the tornado destroyed it. Had is our auxiliary or helping verb here. An auxiliary verb is unique to each tense, and its function is to help us determine the tense in case you forgot what it is. After the auxiliary verb had, we have been, and the verb with ing ending, he had been building that wall for 3 months before the tornado destroyed it. The government had been underestimating the unemployment figures for decades. The government here is the subject, followed by the auxiliary verb had, then been, then the verb underestimate with ing ending. The government had been underestimating the unemployment figures for decades. Okay, to make a question, we put the auxiliary verb had before the subject, not after it. For example, how long had he been working for before the auditors arrived? How long had he been trying to get into the movie industry before they finally accepted him? And to make a negative, we use had not, or its contracted form, hadn't. They hadn't been working all this time before they were all fired. She hadn't been trying to get into the movie industry for years. It took her just a few months. I know you are dying to find out when to use past perfect progressive. You will learn it in the next episode. Stay tuned.